Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody is doing well. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, today's video I want to talk to you about is just those simple things over time, being consistent with it. Because I was talking to a friend of mine and she was like, January I didn't start, February I didn't start, March, April. I say, look, May 1st, we're gonna do a 30-day challenge. And if anybody wanna join the challenge, I would love to have you. So basically what we're gonna do, at least 3 times a week, get about, let's say 100 steps in. You don't have to run a marathon now. I have run marathons before, but you don't have to run a marathon, but the whole principle of it is just to get moving. Those little simple things. And the key is, when you start feeling better, and you will start feeling better, don't stop doing it. Because that's where people stop when they start feeling better. They be like, this is boring, I don't want to do this no more. Just keep doing it. And always get you a little journal. You can get it from the dollar store for 99 cents. But get you a journal and document your progress. That way it'll keep you motivated, and also reward yourself for being consistent, because everybody wants a reward. Everybody wants those awards. Y'all know the one you got when you was in school. So reward yourself when you being consistent out here, and get out in nature, get some sun, because I'm gonna tell you, your attitude will improve. Versus always, a lot of people sit in these offices and then they start gaining weight and they wonder what's happening. It's because you don't get out and do exercise. But I just want to get people moving this month. And if y'all want to join the challenge, y'all let me know, and I might figure out a prize or something for people that do it. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Hey, hopefully y'all got some value from this video. So if you did, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment, and y'all let me know if y'all going to do the challenge. And everybody have a great weekend. All right, y'all be great. Got some stray dogs in this park, y'all. Stray dogs, you have to watch it. Hey, this is Booker Williams. I'm out. Be great.